Superannotate is currently hiring people to join its AI training roles as AI trainers in different fields. If you want to be a part of this move, you have to register today. You have to join today. Before I get started, please give me a like, give me a follow, and share this with your friends. To get started, click on the link in the description below. When you've done that, you'll be brought to the home page where you would find two options, the subject matter expert and the network referrer. I'm going to be breaking these two things down and what they mean. If you click on the subject matter expert, it means you want to apply as a domain expert in a particular field. However, if you click on the network referrer, it means you want to apply as a, as someone who would promote the website strictly on the basis of earning rewards from the applications of people to the platform. For the purpose of this registration, I had to create a new email address and I would be applying again because I have an account with Superannotate already. So you want to fill in your first name and your last name and put in your email address. Under the LinkedIn profile link, if you do not have a LinkedIn account, what I want you to do is type https colon slash slash in slash in my case I wrote Jerry then dash Wilson. Okay, so these are all made up. I did not really apply to this particular rule with this account. I'm just showing it to you because I have an account with them already. Then the next thing you want to do is you click your country, Nigeria, and then you put in your expected rate. In this instance, I'm putting in $20. Once you've done that, you click on continue. Okay, the next step in the application process is uploading your CV. Now, in order to upload your CV, you have to do it manually. So you click on upload. If you are using a laptop, you'd go to the part where you have your CV, you click on it and you upload it to the platform. I have created a CV that I will be using for this purpose. Once you've done that, click on continue. Now, in this next stage, you'd be asked to put in your experience. You'd be asked if you've participated in an AI training job before. Click on yes. If possible, you can follow my videos to apply. You can follow the steps I used there. I've actually participated in Mindrift AI and I put in my total earnings. I also included two other platforms that I've worked with previously, and I included the earnings I made from those platforms. You are only allowed to put up to three platforms in this section. So that was what I did in this case. Then I clicked on what continue. The final step in this stage is to put in your skills and qualifications. In this part, you'll be told to upload your skills, whatever skill you have, type it in and put in your level of proficiency. If you're an expert in that field, put it there. If you're an intermediate beginner, put it there. Whatever you feel like doing in that particular part, just make sure you fill in that spot. Okay, so that is the aspect of the skills. And then if you are currently in school, indicates. If you have graduated, indicates as well. Then you'll be asked to put in the fields you are familiar with. In this case, I chose languages and translation, and I also chose education, which means I can work on projects that involve language and linguistics, and I can also work on projects that involve education in general. Once you've done that, you have to choose your native language. In this case, my native language is English language, and the language I use while working is also English language. Upon doing all of this, you click on submit application. After submitting your application, you'd be sent another mail. This is a sample of the mail you would be sent. You would actually be sent two mails. This is the first mail you would be sent. The mail is to inform you that they have received your application and they will be informing you about the next steps to take. This is the second mail you will be receiving from Superannotate, and this mail contains the link to an assessment. When you click on this link, it takes you directly to the Superannotate platform where you would take an assessment. When taking the test, make sure you are relaxed and in a cool place. Ensure you do your best and you do not rush through the test so that you can get into the platform and start receiving payments. If you pass the assessment, you'd be added to the Discord channel and you would also be paid the hourly sum which you indicated upon registration. I wish you good luck in the assessment. Like always, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.